dati. Normally, sampay. Sa bata. Sa bata. Dalawa sila. Nasa bata hats. Give them a round of applause.
Good day, everyone. We are in Group 8 from grade 11 over. So right now, we will lay down our product innovation inspired by the Davao City. It is a Chilean bite. So what is Chilean bite? So let's proceed to the next slide.
Chilean bite gets its name from combining cheese and durian, the two main ingredients of our product. It reflects the unique flavors of Davao has to offer. More than a snack, Chilean bites represent Davao culture and creativity innovations, and the way Davaeños share and give hospitality to tourists. Every bite offers the taste, warmth, and stories of Davao getting a feeling of home. This side shows sample design at Chilean bites. On the left side, it's creamy, it's crispy, and soft on the left.
So once again, this is the samples design of our product. On the product sketch, it is stated that the outside layer part is crispy golden outer layer, and the inside is soft durian cheese and have a feeling. So it is also a bite size. On the B category is the packaging sketch. So meaning it is the products package on. Product package that you will see on the stores.
As we all know, Davao City is the durian capital of the Philippines. However, durian is not just a fruit. It symbolizes abundance, local pride, and cultural heritage among Davaoeños. Davao City produces top varieties of durian like Puyat, Diaya, and Suyo, all known for their creaminess and sweetness. During the peak season, from August to October, durian flow shops and markets bring the city to life with various durian products. This season also highlights the Kalinga Festival, where people celebrate Easter's blessings and a fruitful harvest, especially durian. Most people enjoy durian fresh, sometimes with hot coffee or water to manage its strong smell. In addition, as time passed by, many new ways of preparing durian have emerged, using it not only as a fresh fruit but also as an ingredient in making snacks and desserts. We created durian foods like cheesecake, tarts, and cheese balls. They have popular, especially with the younger generation. Cheese helps balance the strong flavor of durian and making it more appealing than the especially with the beginners and tourists. Because of this, durian products have become more acceptable to both locals and visitors.
Durian snacks are now popular salubong items for are now popular salubong items. We use real durian bulk mixed with grape cheese and sugar together to make a modern durian snack.
However, there are still challenges in durian industry because just stated here, climate change is constant worry because it can bring unpredictable weather, droughts, and heavy rains that can easily reduce the supply and harvest. For exporting, the producers must meet the high quality of the products and also the transportation of durian. Why? Because durian is sensitive and can be easily damaged.
We interviewed Chilean Vice users and we use their recordings to support our analysis and their recordings and we use their recordings to support our analysis.
The identical target for consumer are students, children, young adults, and older people. Their suggestions including improving branding and packaging. They also offer new flavors like chocolates, milk, and strengthening promoting strengthening promoting through social media.
The innovation process involves retention.
Our findings shows that Korean bites Our finding shows that Korean bites Our finding shows that Korean bites is tasty and appealing. So, but this product still needs more improvements. Flavors, strength, and packaging. So, the product has strong potential, especially among the youth who enjoy the sweet and cheesy snacks. Overall, success will depend on continued innovation and effective branding.
The innovation process involves retention of durian as the core of the product. Since it is a representation of Davos Spring. On the other hand, we saw a lot of people stay away from durian because of its overpowering smell. As a result, we came up with a product that is not only easier to consume, but also still giving respect to the culture value. To elevate the smell and to balance the flavor, we mix the durian with the cheese. And also we made the piece smaller in order to reflect the tradition of Davaoenos by giving small treats as sign of care and connection. Thus, food in Davao is made for sharing, thus Children Bites is a reflection of that culture. Throughout the process, we preserve traditional values while adding modern improvements. Less strong smell, smoother texture, and more convenience now. Children Bites remains culturally rooted while addressing common issues with durian. It represents Davao is a product that's easy to enjoy.
Study fact shows a correlation between age and product ratings. People from different age groups both give high and low ratings, meaning age has little effect on preference. Overall, most ratings are high, showing that Children Bites are widely appealing on wide range of ages.
So their question here is how we will promote and sell this kind of product. So we come up to a plan that we will highlight the social media, or we will post it on social media by posting a videos, taste test, videos, reaction, and eye-catching photos of our product. So other than that, we come up also to spread a free taste to malls, schools, or festivals that will encourage people to taste it without any hesitation. By that, we think that is one two strategies that we can use to promote our products. And any question for our presentation is now finally open.
State your contribution.
So, my contribution is finalizing their work and make the PPT.
My contribution interviewing and code. My contribution is researching and also making the scatter plot.
My contribution is ongoing creative.
My contribution is I interview one of users of Children Bites, and this is regarding search as analysis.
My contribution is making the sample design and also the sculpture.
So my first question is about your innovation. Okay, so based on your presentation, you blended durian with cheese to soften its aroma. Now, are you sure that cheese can eliminate durian smell? Anyone? Are you sure that cheese can eliminate durian smell? It's a yes or no question. Are you sure?
You think no?
No. Why?
No, because we think that durian still have the most smell po na hindi gusto ng mga tao. And sometimes the cheese doesn't have a strong smell that can cover the smell of the durian.
Okay. So, based on my research now, so cheese can eliminate durian smell. So that is correct. Why? So, because cheese and durian are often compared in terms of odor. So, based on your innovation process, cheese doesn't soften its aroma, the aroma of durian. No? So, I think that is a good innovation, cheese and durian. But based on your explanation, I think it's not working again. So, yeah, so next time, just make sure that if you put something in your presentation, you check about it. You collect data from it. So now, my next question would be, based on its smell, how would you convince someone who does not support your idea that your product is worth developing? How would you convince someone who does not support your idea? For example, we are investors, but we do not like your idea or we do not support your idea. How would you convince us?
We will convince you to improve the product and to add more ingredients that prevent the smell on the punch.
So basically, you will ask me to improve your product. Yes.
I think we will do is encourage them to try it out try it out first, and don't judge it, but by the only for the idea, because they is there, but they need to taste it first before they decline the idea of our product.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, first question. What is the most challenging part in your preparation? Or in preparing your presentation? What's the most challenging part for you guys? Who is the leader of the group? For you, what is the most challenging part in preparing your presentation?
Communication po.
Communication. Okay, can you elaborate?
Communication, because they are not really responding to our GC, but in private message or DMs po, they are responding naman po, and they did it on time, yet we didn't have enough much time to talk about our product and presentation.
Okay, how about you, Zapata Hans?
I think about sa product namin kasi it's hard to make because we don't have much enough time because there's others thing that we need to do, not just CLA but IPP, alcohol choice and others.
Okay. Alright, so let me ask another Zapata, Jacob, right? What do you think is the strength of your product?
I think the strength of our product is the way we made the idea of Syrian bikes and yeah.
So the idea of making your product a bike. Okay. Alright, so how about you, San Pedro?
Yes.
Another strong point of your product.
I think it's how we made it, like how we created it with ideology that came from Davao City or Davao, and I just like the idea of it, like us working together and having a communication, but yeah, the time was less, and I think the strength of our product is how we did it how our time and effort has put in.
Okay, thank you. How about what opportunity are you finding for this product? What opportunity do you think your group would have in pursuing this product? Can I hear from Comedy?
I think there's a big opportunity. I think there's a big opportunity because our product is not really available on the market, and it's not like online or anywhere, but it takes but it is but it's a product that you can enjoy, and also promote the doubles culture.
Okay, so the opportunity would be having your product in the market. As you have said that it is not yet in the market. So have you done your research about that? Okay. So, how about you, Villarante? In your presentation, while you are laughing, you have mentioned that your group should improve something about your product. So what do you think would be the improvement you would suggest in your group?
I suggest that we improve the packaging, and also
In your opinion, what improvement should your group be put in your product idea? The improvement is the taste of durian itself. Durian. So can you improve the taste? So how can we say that it needs to be improved if we do not taste it already? So any other thoughts in mind? Let me revise my question. What do you think is the weak point of your product? Combination. Okay. Do you have any reason with your answer? Can you explain it? Why do you think the combination of cheese and durian is one of the big points?
for some people, it looks weird po na pag tumbay yung cheese and durian.
Okay. Alright. So, anything to add? Either of the group?
For the big part po, as you stated po, is the big part po is the combination of the combination of the cheese and durian. But for me, I think the big part po is the ingredients itself, because as stated po ni Ma'am earlier, na it is not cheese does not cover up the durian smell. And in our innovation, I think in our innovation stated there that the product itself can eliminate the smell of the durian. So I think that we could add some more ingredients that can eliminate the smell, so many people can try our products, and many people can try it without taking off the bad smell of the durian.
Okay, last question. Last question. What is the impact of your product in our culture? What is the impact of your product in our culture?
I think the product has a high impact on influencing and promoting a culture of Davao City, because there, as I said earlier, it is known as the very capital of the Philippines, and I think that by releasing this product, we can influence other people to try all the durian, even though they don't like it, but might like it with our product, because it has a different flavor and
Okay. Okay, so final challenge. Okay, so can you demonstrate how will you sell your product? You are allowed to speak in Filipino. Just illustrate how will you sell it so we can patronize your product. You can use Filipino.
We can promote our product by making our reviews on it.
I mean, do it in actual. Like you are selling it to us. Like everyone. Like you are selling it. But in Tagalog.
Pwede po namin siya yan sa
I mean, like you are selling. Selling.
Magbenta ka.
Nagbibenta ka na talaga. Okay, hear it. Consumers.
Okay, dito, bili. Masarap to. Eto, kahit iba flavor nito, pag natikban nyo, mapapasabi kayo ng wow!
That's it.
Bibili kayo? Hindi.
Any other member would try? Last one. Come on. We have more time. Okay, tip in selling, emphasize the uniqueness of the product since it's product innovation, right? If you're going to sell it, how can you sell it? How would you sell it? Emphasizing its unique features.
Sir, yung sa akin po. Sa bumili ka na ng aking product. Hindi ko pa bibili sa gusto mo pa bang masaktan?
Ano wala bibig sa inyo? Iba, mag-prepare na lang paano yung ibenta nyo.
katulad ng product ni Josh Moy pa. Ngayon, may sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ito yung durian balls namin. Ay, itong product namin ay katulad ng ni Josh Moy pa. Pag tinikman mo, para kang nasa heaven. Hindi lang yun. Marami pang mga flavors to sa hinaharap. Kaya panatiling niyo supportan ng aming product. Para naman sa hinaharap, marami na tong mga flavors. At ayun. Thank you.
For trying and appreciate it. Anyway, it's commendable that all of you are speaking and contributing and answering our questions. And of course, there's a lot of improvements, especially in your presentation. The fonts that you have used, the color of the fonts, it's not giving. But you can read it here, but in the television, it's not readable. Alright? So anyway, that's your room for improvement for next time. Okay? So thank you so much.